Hello there, beautiful people. Today I will be taking a look at the Ardell Fashion Lashes Natural Strip Black number 120. It's one each, and you can get them in a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's made of 100% human hair. It's easy to apply. It's comfortable to wear. And it stays secure until you take them off, and it may be reused for up to 3 weeks. So you have 21 wears out of this one particular box of eyelashes. And I always go back and forth with eyelashes because I love the way they look, but I feel like I'm a failure at applying them. And what I've found is the best way to do it is to, along the lash line, hold the lash in near the lash line with the tweezers. And then this one actually comes with mini adhesive, otherwise you'd have to buy the Duo. It's called Duo eyelash glue. So this one comes with the adhesive, and these are Demi and they're black, and it's really nice because they start off short right here by the eye. So it's not crazy long, so you're not going to be hitting your nose, and then it flares out towards the edge. But to apply them, you want to look down in a mirror and put the gel on the line lash, and just kind of, with the tweezers, kind of wave it around, give it a little air so it gets tacky. And then use the tweezers to set them in place onto the eyelid, which should come out perfectly. And I always say to keep eyelash glue in your bag just in case. I'm just a just in case person. I'm the person that has the A, B, C, D, E, and F plan, because you never know what's going to come up. So if you wear these, like I said, I would suggest bringing some of the adhesive with you, just in case. You don't want like one of your eyelashes flying off like something stuck to a fly paper. So yeah, these are super fun. I know people who wear fake eyelashes every day. I know people who only wear them on special occasions, and some people who only wear them when they get married, which is pretty funny. But it's such a fun, it's become more and more of a trend, and as we near Halloween, one of the items that sells out the most at the drugstore are eyelashes. Everybody wants to look pretty for Halloween, and basically most of the costumes are, I'm a saucy nurse, or I'm a saucy doctor. It's all silly. This year I'm dressing up as a fawn, and I'm completely covered up, and I'm very happy about that. So, yeah, dressing up as a deer is not bad in my book. So, to get the excess Duo adhesive, which this one has, it included the Duo adhesive, you want to take them off when you're home, after you get home. Don't sleep with them on. That's not pretty. You want to peel them back off and put it in the case. And you can gently pull the dried glue off with tweezers, or some people say Dove soap and water with a washcloth. I don't know how effective that would be. So yeah, there's a little bit of, you want to, like I said, before you put them on, you want to wait about 30 seconds and then place them on your eyelash with the tweezers to grasp the hair and control the lash. But the Duo eyelash glue is not that expensive, and like I said, 21 wears out of this for the price that it is, pretty amazing. It's not too over the top. It's not crazy. It will give you a really nice enhancement. And yeah, it's just a great product. And Ardell's around for a long time. I don't know how many years Ardell has been around for, but so you can see her putting on the lashes with the glue, and applying with the adhesive. Looks like they're imported through Los Angeles and made in Sri Lanka or China. So try it out. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.